In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a before and after slider for your Behance portfolio from scratch. This is a simple and effective way to showcase transformations in your work and highlight your creative process. First, make sure you're logged into your Behance account as an administrator. From your dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Your Profile. Here, you can create a new project where the slider will be added. Before we jump into Behance, we'll use a free online tool called juxtapose.js. This tool allows you to upload two images and generate a slider that compares them side by side. You'll need your before image and after image ready. Make sure both images have the same dimensions so the slider works smoothly. Once your images are uploaded to juxtapose.js, the tool will generate an embed code for your slider. Copy this code carefully. Next, go back to your Behance project editor. Choose the Embed option in your project where you want the slider to appear, and paste the code you just copied. Preview the slider to ensure it works correctly and the images display properly. Make adjustments if necessary to make sure the slider complements your project's flow. Once you're happy with how it looks, save your project. Take a moment to view it as a visitor would, making sure the slider runs smoothly and effectively showcases the before and after transformation. Adding a slider like this not only makes your portfolio more interactive, but also helps potential clients and collaborators see the full story of your creative work. And that's how you create a dynamic before and after slider for your Behance portfolio. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.